Here I have CoolPAD Porto, and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to easily get access to the battery saver, so how to quickly switch on the battery saver mode. Let's use the upper bar twice, and here you have to find the battery saver icon. Let's tap it. And that's it, you just activate the battery saver. If you would like to quit the battery saver, let's use upper bar again and tap the battery saver right here and disable this mode. Alright, now let me show you how to find the settings of the battery saver. Choose the settings icon. Here you have to scroll down, tap battery. Here you've got the battery usage, and you may also choose more key to choose the battery saver. As you can see, to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces some device performance, limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. Here you may also enable and disable this mode, and you can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have the 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.